so today we're gonna do a pizza palette and we're gonna put some makeup of my pizza palette. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Hi guys! So today we're gonna do a pizza palette. First, I want to show you the grand reveal. Just because, okay? So I'm gonna, how do I hold this? I'm just gonna, ta-da! Hello. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And then this is what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna open it. Ooh, pretty. First, we're gonna put like little lines on my eyes. So first, we're gonna get some black olives. That's the name of the black one, the black color. Okay, yep. See, that's a lot of black. And then so I'm gonna just put crazy. Whatever. Ooh, no, I'm gonna do a rainbow, okay? So first I'm gonna get red. I look crazy. One devil side, one angel side. Okay, so now this is the devil side because there's a bunch of blood and it's black. I think I'm gonna use this brush. Look at how much purple it is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go. Not really. Oh, looks pretty. My favorite color is mostly blue, green, and purple, and pink. That's mostly my favorite. And black. Now I'm gonna use this brush to get like a pinkish color. You guys, I like dabbed it like 3 or 4 times, and this is how much I got. Okay, yeah, so that's my angel sign. This is my devil side so far. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm sorry I wasn't patient to you. I just really liked my... Okay, so this is where I'm going to get my cheeks. Angel side, devil side, angel cheek, devil cheek. Boop. Devil side. Now with my lipstick on. Okay. My lips look really pretty. I love lipstick. I'm crazy, I'm crazy, I am crazy, I'm crazy, I'm crazy, I am crazy. Angel side, oh. Let's try a drop. Bye guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye.